Дякую. Шановні колеги і сябри, шановні сватарства. Доброе утро. I am extremely happy to be here today for your annual gathering of the national platform of the Eastern Partnership Civil Society Forum. I think it is a very important event, and I think you also chose a very good time to do this, because we have many, many new things that are currently happening. Among others, we have a new leadership in Brussels, and we have a new high representative, a new boss, also, of course, a new commission president. And this new commission president has declared to want that the commission should play a more geopolitical role. And I think that suits us, foreign policy people, very much, because obviously that is what we expect, support by the European institutions for our activities, and for us here, who we are, if I may say so, on the front line, the ambassadors of the EU and the EU member states. And so that's very, very good to talk about this today. We have also an agenda, a EU agenda from 2019 to 2024. And one of the priority areas that is mentioned in this EU agenda is to promote European interests and values on the global stage. That also fits very well to my idea, because that is exactly what I have in mind for my job here, and I know that many of my colleagues, EU ambassadors, EU member states ambassadors, have the same idea, to bring more Europe to Belarus. That is our job here, but of course altogether we want to bring also more Belarus to Europe. And obviously, who can play an important role in this? You guys, the civil society of Belarus, and I think you have come already a long way. By the way, you chose a very nice location here. I know that it was not your original location that you wanted to celebrate and to have your meeting, but I think it's still a very nice location. Also, because we will also celebrate right here in this street Europe Day, this year for the first time on the streets of Minsk. I am actually very, very happy that we have succeeded to get the green light for this, and I hope that I will see many of you, if not all of you, on the 30th of May in the afternoon on this street. You will all get still an invitation via you. I will send it, you can distribute it, and I hope to see many of you that we can celebrate all together Europe Day on the 30th of May. Eastern Partnership, 10 years, indeed. It is 10 years. And I personally had the pleasure to have been there from the very beginning, to follow the developments from Brussels, from Kiev, from Chisinau, then from Brussels again, and now here. And I think that we have come a long way. There's a lot of criticism about the Eastern Partnership, but I think it's mainly criticism by those who do not know what we really have done, and where all your countries, all the 6 Eastern Partnership countries were standing 10 years ago. I think you will agree with you that it is due to the Eastern Partnership that you are assembled in such a coordinated way today. It is thanks to the Eastern Partnership Initiative that you have regular meetings with civil society representatives from other Eastern Partnership countries, and I know that there are even Russian colleagues here today. I think it's also thanks to the Eastern Partnership. So I think it has not only brought, Eastern Partnership has not only brought your countries closer to Europe, but it has also brought you, between you, closer together. So I think there's a lot to say. I will not go into much more detail, because I will speak in the very first panel, to which I will look very much forward to, where I will explain a little bit what I think has been the concrete achievements, and where I also will a little bit outline where I think in which direction the train of the Eastern Partnership should go. I look very much forward to a wonderful day today, a wonderful discussion. I see so many known faces already, even after my 5 months in this country. So I'm sure this will be highly interesting. And as I said, I'm particularly also happy that also Russian colleagues from the civil society are here. I think it can serve also as a good example to take back to Moscow. Thank you very much. Have a great event today.